Let's start with fundamental primitives. These are the basic building blocks used in 3D modeling. They include points, which are single coordinates in space, lines, which connect two points, and polygons, which are flat shapes with three or more sides. Next, we have objects with meshes. Meshes are made of interconnected vertices, edges, and faces, forming the surface of a 3D objects. Objects with meshes can range from simple shapes like cubes and spheres to complex models like characters and buildings. Finally, we have parametric surfaces. Unlike meshes, which are made up of individual points, parametric surfaces are defined by mathematical equations. This allows for precise control over the shapes of the surface and enables for creation of complex organic forms.